Hello, my name is Angela Marlene Pineda Gomez. I am 24 years old. I live in Saboya, Boyacá. I travel to Cartagena, Colombia. I live with my husband and my son. I study bachelor degree in child pedagogy. I love to play with my son. Napoleon dessert. Ingredients: 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of milk cream, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of crunch, biscuit y peas. Add the milk cream, condensed milk, and crunch to the blender and blend until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. We put in a pot over medium. It boils and stir until it thickens. We remove from the add and in a refractory, we add layer of the mixture of the cookies and so until finished. Refrigerate for the 3 hours. After the time, we decorate with peach and serve. Thank you.